boy Salem. So right here I'm here to give you a quick update on OrvexHub. So right now the OrvexHub claiming has been made available, so you can now go and claim your token. So allocation has been shared on OrvexHub. So I'll walk you step by step on how you can claim your token to your respected Solana wallet. So all you need to do is very simple. So you click right here, just go straight to where the allocation. This is where you can find your allocation. So just click on it, click on that button. So you click on the button, it will take you directly to your allocation area. So this, I was given 20,850 Orvex to claim but although I mined almost 40,000, but the reason I was not giving all of them is this. So this is the reason. Base allocation was 700. That was the base allocation. Then completed tax was about 6,150. So active referrals was 9,000. So I only have like 6 friends that was actively claiming on the token daily basis when activities is on. So referral milestone was about 4,000. Then screenshot proof. There are some tasks whereby you will screenshot just to show that you have participated. So I have like 500 to approve. That was 500. Then wallet scan. So I was given 500. Altogether total was 20,850. So this is the reason I could not get all of my mine or accumulated token. So that was the reason. So if you find yours like that, so don't complain. That was the reason you were not able to get all. So they just everything about the token. So 7 referrals. You can see all my balance was 4,000, but on my leaderboard that was 2,439 in the world. So that was it. So this is just how to claim it. It's very simple. So all you need to do is just for you to click on this claim token, then it will go direct to your connected Solana wallet. So make sure that you know the wallet you connected your own to, which is a Solana wallet you connected your own to, so that you will not be confused. So just click on it, claim. So if you click on the claim, it will show you your address. Where should we send your token to? So you have already connected your wallet before now, so you can just click on continue. So that's all you need to do. So before you do that, make sure you confirm the address if it's the same address you connected in your Solana. So make sure you confirm the address. So confirm it first before you click continue to avoid losing your distribution or your allocation. So check it from your wallet, checking your Solana address. After confirming it, before you click, so you can scroll down, see. So on the that side you can see what the team was saying, that withdrawal is on chain and free of charge. You do not pay any fees, or you do not need to connect a wallet. So they say it is free, but we don't know. So because sometimes they will just say you should pay gas fee, but it's not a financial advice. So you can do well to do your own research, but according to them, they say you do not pay any gas fee. So and basically in any airdrop, you do not need to pay any gas fee, because all gas fee need to be deducted from what you have accumulated or taken from for your token. So that's it. So I've confirmed mine. So I need to do, I'll click continue. So it's kind of right now. Say confirm. Say 20,000 will be sent to your address shortly. Please wait. No further action is needed. So this is what they are going to say. So after doing this, meaning that you have claimed your token, so it's left out for them for your token to be dropped in your wallet address. Then the contract address will be made available for we to claim on the Solana wallet. So if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and give this video a thumbs up. But if you have any challenges, feel free to leave it on the comment section. I'll also leave my WhatsApp group on the description for you to join my WhatsApp group, where I give updates on other wallets, other crypto projects. So thank you. Peace out.